In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix the Daikin error code 00. So as you can see, to be able to actually try to fix it, we need to firstly turn off power to the unit for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so you know. So make sure that you actually find the power switch, then turn it off, and then wait. I would say actually the best is probably 10 minutes, to be honest. So then you're going to check the remote or thermostat. Error 00 often means no error, just so you know, or system startup issue. Sometimes, by the way, after you actually get this 00 error, you will actually after that sometimes get like another error code that might actually clarify even more exactly what the issue is. Not always, but it can happen, just so you know. So you're going to restart the unit and see if the code then clears. If it still persists, reset the system using the main power switch or circuit breaker. So if the unit still doesn't work, we need to actually contact the Daikin support. This could be a communication fault or internal issue, just so you know. And how you can actually contact the Daikin support is very easy. Just go into Google, search for Daikin support, then click on their official website and you will be able to see their number in there. Or if you want to, you can of course always like email them as well. And that is basically exactly how you can try to fix this issue.